Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be installing a secret app store. Simply by entering a special code, you can unlock a massive content library known as repositories. This is where the real magic happens. A single code can open the door to thousands of movies, while another might flood your screen with hundreds of live TV channels from across the globe. Let's dive in. To complete this setup, we will require the downloader application. So move across to find, drop down to search, hit the select button, and you just have to enter in D for downloader. Once it appears in the list, you can select it. This is the application we're after. Click again and click one more time to start the download. Okay, before we open it, we will need to amend a setting. So if we click the menu button, move all the way across to settings and select My Fire TV. Here we will need to select this menu option, developer options. If you do not see this, highlight about and click, and then click the select button 5 to 6 times, and then you will see the option at the bottom. Now you are a developer. Once you have downloader installed, double click on this and enter in the code 234753. Once it's entered, we'll hit go, install, and then done, so that we can delete the installation files as they are no longer required. Okay, so then we go back to the home screen. So before we launch the application, we need to make one change. Settings, My Fire TV, under developer options, install unknown apps, and we just need to make sure unlinked is set to on. Okay, so now that's done, we can launch the application. But before we do, ensure that your VPN is active when in use. Before we launch the application, I'll just connect my VPN. Okay, so now it's connected, we can launch the application. All that remains is for you to enter in a library code, which I'll provide on the screen. And once that's done, it will give you access to a plethora of content from around the world, from live TV shows to movies and much, much more. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If this has helped you out, please drop a like, a comment, and subscribe. I will catch you on the next one. Cheers.